Hello, today we're going to talk about dividing fractions, so let's dive in. So to divide fractions, we need to change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then we follow the keep, change, flip, where we're keeping the first number, changing the operation from division to multiplication, and then flipping the fraction, meaning taking the reciprocal of the fraction. So the numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator. We will then reduce or cross cancel, multiply the numerators together, multiply the denominators together, and then reduce to lowest terms. So let's take a look at this one. We have negative 3 1/3 divided by negative 7/9. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 3 to get 9 plus 1 is 10. So that's negative 10 thirds divided by negative 7/9. Now I'm going to keep this first one, so it's going to stay as negative 10 thirds. I'm going to change that operation to multiplication, and I'm going to flip, meaning take the reciprocal of this, so it is negative 9/7. And again, it doesn't matter which number that negative is on, as long as there is one negative in the fraction that makes the fraction negative. So I am now going to reduce or cross cancel, so this 3 and this 9 both divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now I'm going to multiply negative 10 multiplied by negative 3, and I'm going to get a positive 30, and 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Now I know that 7 goes into 30 4 times, because 4 times 7 is 28, so 4 times 7 is 28, that leaves 2 remaining, so 4 and 2 sevenths. Let's take a look at a few more. Alright, so looking at this, we have negative 2 3/7 divided by 11/35. I am going to convert the negative 2 3/7 into an improper fraction. So negative 2, or 2 times 7 is 14, plus the 3 is 17, so we have negative 17/7, and that's divided by 11/35. Now I'm going to keep, change, flip, so negative 17/7 I keep. I change that to multiplication, and I flip the fraction, so I do the reciprocal, which becomes 35/11. Now I'm going to look to see if I can cross cancel. I know that 35 and 7 both divide by 7. So if I divide by 7 by 7, I get 1. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Now multiplying negative 17 times 5, that's negative 85. And 1 times 11 is 11. Now I know that 85 goes into 11 7 times. And 7 times 11 is 77 plus 8, so there's 8 remaining out of 11. So that's negative 7 and 8/11. And this last one, negative 2 4/5 divided by 1 2/3. Again, I'm going to turn them into into improper fractions, sorry. So 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 4 is 14, so that's negative 14/5, divided by 1 times 3 is 3, 4, 5, so 5/3. I'm going to do that keep, change, flip again, so negative 14/5 times 3/5. Now I'm going to see if I can do any cross canceling. I know that 14 and 5 do not reduce. I know that 3 and 5 do not reduce. So I'm going to just multiply straight across, and 14 times 3 is 42, so that's negative 42. And over 5 times 5 is 25, so that's negative 42/25. Now 25 goes into 42 one time, so that's negative 1. And 42 minus 25 gives us 17 remaining over 25, so negative 1 and 17/25. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.